The industrial work chair, also known as the workman's office chair range. This chair is built to withstand the pressures of industrial use. A regular office chair will not be adequate in the harsh environment of a factory. The industrial chair is specifically designed to suit a variety of environments, including dusty and dirty factories, production lines, food processing plants, as well as medical and clinic facilities. Unlike regular office chairs, the polyurethane protective surface is easy to clean. This chair has all the regular adjustments, everything an office chair could need, as well as a back rake system. You can also turn your industrial chair into a draftsman chair for higher to reach applications. Ask us about the options of an industrial office chair that best suits your needs. West Coast Office National, everything for your business. Come and try an industrial work chair in our Vredenburg showroom today.